Let's make a delicious and healthy Amla Murabba. We'll start by preparing fresh Indian gooseberries, wash them well, pat them dry, and grate them finely. Now, warm some ghee in your pan. Add our grated amla and keep stirring gently. This helps remove the raw taste and brings out the natural flavors. Time to add our first portion of jaggery. Just a sprinkle of water helps it melt and combine beautifully. Let it cook covered briefly. Here comes our aromatic spice blend: black salt for tanginess, warming ginger powder, and a touch of black pepper. Each spice adds its own special character to our preserve. The finishing touches: fragrant cardamom powder, and our final portion of jaggery. This balance of sweet and spice is what makes Amla Murabba so special. A final gentle simmer under cover lets all these wonderful flavors melt together. Please like, share, subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.